We are really happy no sa turnout because around 400 people, business community, talagang nagtipon-tipon tayo ngayon here sa Business Summit. And I think no and I feel na marami tayong napulot and natutunan with our speakers from Secretary Go sa economic landscape natin, and then for geopolitics, and of course kay Governor Petilla, very rockstar no, talagang very nice to see a government employee governor na is into digitization and AI, no? And ang ganda ng system on healthcare and sa construction or project monitoring. So we were inspired this morning with the talk of Governor Petilla. And then this afternoon, kita natin yung the heart and soul of this business summit, no? From Jack Nang, who talk about the homeless. We really need more socialized housing because when you look at the demographics of the Philippines, ang pinakamalaki talagang base is yung nasa poor community, and talagang kulang no yung socialized housing. And it's very heartwarming to see an entrepreneur na focusing on this sector na talagang may puso. And then we talk about disaster resilience, no? Very helpful yung pinakita ni Professor Mahar, no, on how we can prevent mga losses in terms of lives, livelihoods, and properties during disasters and calamity. And I hope everyone will download the UP NOAA app because nandoon pala talaga lahat ng you can check out kung uulan ba, anong rainfall meron today until tomorrow. So makita yung weather. So it's a very good tool. I hope everyone will download it. And then of course we have Architect Alcazaren. Very inspiring to see communities that he transformed into walkable city, green city, yung ano talaga, people-centered solution, no? People-centered community development. And I really hope and pray that Cebu will have more of this kind of spaces na maging walkable city. We can have more parks, and I'm so excited with the Pahara project no under kay Congresswoman Lollipop. So looking forward to that Pahara Park. Kasi para we can bring our children. Iba kasi pag makapaglakad ka, you enjoy nature, 'di ba? So we really need spaces for this. And sana hindi na nakakatakot maglakad sa sidewalk, 'di ba? Like yung sabi nga ni architect, buwis buhay. So I hope we can improve our sidewalk, 'di ba? Our community, ma-transform talaga siya into people-centered community. And of course, yung kay Jingay, Miss Jingay Ontiveros, should talk about circular economy. So ang dami niyang pinakitang mga examples that we can apply in our own organizations, and we can push also sa chamber. Especially waste talaga, no? One of our major problems here in Cebu, yung waste talaga. So it's really reduce, reuse, recycle, reintegrate, remanufacture. Yun yung mga solutions na pinakita niya. And I hope we can think of solutions no to our own companies, our own organizations, so that we can contribute talaga in terms of lessening this garbage and waste problem. And of course, when we work together, we can achieve better results. And sabi nga, it starts within us, no? And isa rin sa napulot ko talaga today, let's not complain. Let's not complaining. Let's start solving problems. And in business, we can create business solutions. So magiging profitable din itong when we create solutions for this mga identified na problems. So I hope we can work together to become a better Philippines.
Apart from brilliant speakers that we have right now, no, sabi nila plus points yung mga well-attended VIPs ho natin.
Yes.
Department of Finance Secretary, we have the OPAB.
Yes. So today, we are very blessed to have our leaders in the community. So starting from Secretary Go, and we also have si OPAB, si Mr. Philip Law, and together with our very own Vice Governor, Glenn Soco. And of course, Mayor was here to support kasi talagang partner namin ang City of Mandaue, no, and the MBN, and of course dito sa Business Summit. And even other departments are represented this morning. We have the DTI, yan, BIR, nandito. So, and of course, our mga business leaders, mga past presidents of Mandaue Chamber, president also of other chambers, sa Cebu Chamber, President Regan was here, si President Tonton of Lapu-Lapu Chamber. So, it's very, refreshing to see leaders, no, in the community to gather and think of talaga, no, solutions dito sa mga very challenging problems natin. But of course, I know we will rise stronger together.
Yes, of course, natapos na to, no? We have still remaining many activities until November. So, your invitation sa our
Yes.
fellow members and of course, all interested na gusto mo join.
Yeah.
Sa Mandaue Business Week.
First, I would like to thank everyone, no, for those who supported us and those who joined to this Business Summit 2026. We're really very happy. We are around 400 people here, no, sa Marco Polo today. So thank you so much. And I am inviting everyone to participate in mga upcoming activities. Marami pa. So we have Blood for Life. You can donate blood. You can join the job fair if you're a job seeker. And if you are a hiring company, we are still accepting hiring companies, no, to participate. We still have the Industry Academy collaboration. We have the bowling tournament. And we have the winners. So we're looking for women micro entrepreneurs sa barangay level in Mandaue. So get in touch with your barangay captains if you want to participate, or you can get in touch with us sa Mandaue Chamber. And of course, we will culminate with the Mandaue Chamber Chamber Night. So see you guys, see you everyone sa mga upcoming activities natin. So thank you so much, Jim.